A teacher's prayer. I pull out of my sheets and sit upright on bed and wonder, yet another day of school. But the frown on my face immediately breaks into a smile as multiple faces flash into my inner mind. Some from the past, some from the present, rolling out memories, colourful and bright. They walk into my class chirpy and fresh. Their early morning banter and gossip lightens my stress. I see my childhood in them as they get ready to start each day with great enthusiasm. Some are busy studying for a surprise test, last-minute homework completion looming heavily over some heads. Some quickly find cozy spots to buzz over their new conquests, while there are still some quietly unobservant of the noise and the unrest. Some shy, some boisterous, some unhappy, some gregarious. But just when you think the day is getting boring, you have the Heropanthi coming in with trouble brewing. Fist fights and funny brawls, they come ranting about how it's always the other's fault. As the day descends from morn to noon, impeccable white shirts are now dressed with specks of ketchup maroon. Shirts tucked out and ruffled hair, ID cards missing, but lunch boxes intact somewhere. Amidst this pandemonium, we have some sincere studies happening, bookworms and backbenchers, both equally busy at work. Amidst this pandemonium, we have some sincere studies happening, bookworms and backbenchers, both equally busy at work. While one slips into his big books, the other diligently slips out of his boring classes. Their infatuations, their crushes, their first ranks, their birthday bashes, their bouts of crying, their gurgles of laughter, all so chaotic, yet so sane. In the middle of this humdrum, I stand watching over them. No moment tiring, every moment well spent. A proud feeling it is to marshal them through the roads of bliss and the roads of blue. Every story is different, but yet the same. Every child is unique, not just in name. My students are a treasure. I know it sounds cliched, but I feel bedecked with a crown of gems carefully laid. Every year they come, every year they go, leaving behind memories, fresh to hold. They are my adrenaline, they are my antidote, they are my tonic to an unaging life. God bless them wherever they go. Let them scale great heights of success, humility, and many more. For the unalloyed joy they have filled into my vacant heart, I pray God replenishes their lives with happiness and stars. For years to come, make us proud with your wealth of character unbound. Forever yours, your teacher.